Welcome on this little inspiration information video, little viewpoint PowerPoint presentation about a brand new opportunity, a new ICO/token opportunity that has entered the market for 1 penny, is now 13 pennies and will, according to the founders, go to $20 in no time. So a 200xer if you do your calculations right. So welcome to this Eagle Viewpoint presentation of Quickx and crypto advice. Everything I say here is no promise, no guarantees. I'm not your financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So here you go. That's the disclaimer. No promises, no guarantees. But Quickx is coming with a revolutionary new token/platform on where they not only update you about the whole cryptocurrency industry, but also are launching one of the slimmest, best, most beautiful, wonderful, easy to use crypto external wallets / also a separate crypto phone, like a real crypto phone. For the first time I've seen a real crypto phone, plus obviously also a debit card and a payment portal and so on and so forth, but a marvelous opportunity. So when you're into the cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, blockchain space and interested in an opportunity to really put your money in a place in where it could multiply by 200%, then you're at the right place. When you're a newbie and you want to learn more about cryptocurrencies and blockchain and Bitcoin and all kinds of wallets and this whole new thing, then you're on the right place as well. Please stay put. I've got a huge surprise at the end of this little short video. So here you have it, Quickx, the fastest real-world crypto payment protocol. Check this out. Because when you see their liquidity pool, you will be blown away. It'll knock your socks off and blow your hair back for the next 30 years. Global opportunity as well. So there's also a community opportunity, a market making opportunity in where you can literally take part of a community earning residual income. The company behind Quickx is called SECugenius. For those who are into due diligence, SECugenius started operations in 2010 and helped businesses to fight cybercrime, protect data and reduce security risk. We are a trusted standard for companies who want to protect their brand and identity from different cyber attacks. You see several companies that have done business with the company already. Team awarded by Vice President of India for innovation, listed in the 10 most trusted cybersecurity companies 2017, became one of the fastest 25 tech growing companies in 2017 and listed in the top 5 cyber forensic companies in 2016, listed in the top 5 cybersecurity companies 2015. Here you go, nice rewards. Here are some media releases, news and blogs that were posted about Quickx and their company information on MarketWatch, Business Standard, Yahoo, and Cointelegraph, for example. Just stop this video when you want to have a read. This is really a fast little overview. And here a little summation about today's problems in the crypto world when it comes to the smart use of it, and specifically mini transactions. Time and speed is very important, but there's a problem there. Blockchain transactions are slow and take a lot of time to get recorded. Now, transaction costs is another challenge. Huge transaction fees while transferring blockchain assets. And then the other problem / challenge is scalability. Most blockchain protocols have this scalability problem. They cannot handle huge amounts. Then when it comes to cross-chain transfers, it's not ironclad as well. It's not possible to do instant cross-blockchain transactions, and like they noticed, see a need, fill a need, Quickx comes with solutions for these challenges. And here you have it, one of the most beautiful pictures in the blockchain /Bitcoin/cryptocurrency protocols I have ever seen. Quickx solves the mentioned problems by building a decentralized platform that provides a solution to time, cost and scalability by doing the transactions of the chain for same crypto assets and having pooling facilitators who are providing liquidity for cross-chain transfer of crypto assets. You see an example here, and it really means time, cost and scalability advantages over any other system that I've seen this far. A simple new innovated liquidity pool has been added. Again, more detailed information in other videos and longer specific explanations, but basically you can see the difference between the old way, where you have money going through all kinds of platforms, systems that will cost money and time, and after waiting those who receive have less to spend. And when you really look at the system of Quickx, you see that it has been solved by implementing this liquidity pool, better transaction speed and security. Transaction cost is negligible, high secure platform, better utility service. And the end result is that those who receive have more money to spend quicker and more secure. This picture should really inspire you to get on board, because the blockchain wallet users will reach 100 million people. That is expected to happen in 2020, and we're not even at the start of this tremendously high opportunity rise in the usage of cryptocurrencies. So Quickx, not only a pretty name, not only a pretty face, global multi-solutions. We come out with a multi-currency wallet, totally decentralized multi-currency wallet, a multi-currency hardware wallet. Now you see a demonstration in a video that I'm posting on this page or on my channel. Amazing, world's slimmest and easiest to use hardware wallet, store multiple cryptocurrencies, FIDO certified, EAL05 pluses, KCM VP passed for security of chipset and made in Korea. Also, we come out with a multi-currency debit card. That's not very new, but this wallet is crazy. The payment gateway is also there. We have a crypto mining watch, world's first crypto mining watch. Burn more calories and earn more cryptos. Wonderful innovation. And a very sexy blockchain mobile phone that's coming out pretty soon, if not already. This should increase the token price tremendously. That's why those crazy forecasts are there. Have a look at this massive team, very capable. You can literally Google them and find out how much potential and experience is on this team. Wonderful. Some even earned specific and special doctorates for the work that they've done in this space and on this space. A huge board of advisors that makes you feel you're in the right place at the right time with the right opportunity. And we also like to welcome you to Crypto Advice, Market Making and Community Rewards. That's a division of Mended Minds Limited. This is what we do. Have a little look at this video, at this picture. Stop the video and play again when you've stopped or when you've done watching. The way to start residual income earning is by starting package activation and monthly rewards. You see them in the screen right here. 1 unit is $1. Monthly rewards are credited daily. The monthly percentage rewards are based on the units and paid in XCX tokens. Detailed information about this marvelous opportunity follow, if not are on this page already somewhere. Look for links. Quickx protocol, QCX coin listed in World Coin Index and traded on bitmax and LA token. Many more to come in 2019 this year. Many more other platforms coming up. And then we slowly come to an end of this Eagle View PowerPoint presentation of Quickx by showing you the monthly reward examples on stacking between brackets, holding, batches and predictions. Have a look at it, stop the video again. This is a predicted 20% monthly QCX price growth. These examples just have the purpose to show possible results, assuming that you keep your daily reward token in your portfolio. Have a look at the huge opportunities how you're able to earn by getting involved. Again, stop this video, study, and press play again when you're ready. Here a glance of the community market making rewards. Direct referral reward of 5% unlimited. Binary reward 10% with some detailed information. Binary rewards daily limits. You see several limits right here. And matching bonuses rewards of several percentages. All rewards are credited daily, 20% in units and 80% in token. Ladies and gentlemen, get back to the person who invited you here today, and welcome to the crypto revolution of Quickx, the fastest real-world crypto payment protocol and the global opportunity via the community and Make It group that is giving you an opportunity to earn a residual income. So all hands on deck. Click links underneath this video when you want more information about this marvelous opportunity and get in. Quick, fast start links as well as slow video information links. Get back to the person that invited you here. He or she has a huge surprise for you. It'll blow your socks off and it'll knock your socks off and blow your hair back for the next 30 years. And I'll leave your best email address plus mobile telephone number somewhere on this page where you can do so. We'll send you appropriate video information. Then I'll see you and yours on our Quickx webinars, live streaming sessions, seminars, clinics, events, automation systems in the next video, on our nice exclusive outings, but definitely on the most beautiful beaches of the world. Have a look on this page for other videos and also for quick start buttons so you can get in right away. Thanks and see you later. When you see this on YouTube, there's a little word spelled share somewhere in this area underneath this YouTube video. Click on it and you'll be able to send this and show this video and marvelous opportunity via your own social media icons. They'll pop up, click on them and leave a kind, promising, or not promising, but an inspiration message in order to grant other people this opportunity. Like, subscribe, retweet, do whatever is necessary to help others take and make this into their advantage.